Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a milkshake from ice cream full guide. Start by measuring 2 scoops of ice cream and adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of chilled milk for texture. Blend briefly until smooth, tasting as you go and adjusting milk for thickness. Keep tools cold, use whole milk for creamier results, and serve immediately with a straw and napkin for the best experience. Try simple variations to suit every craving by starting with your base milkshake and adjusting flavors. For chocolate, add cocoa powder and an extra scoop of chocolate ice cream. For fruit versions, blend ripe banana or berries with vanilla ice cream and reduce milk slightly. For texture, fold in cookie bits or candy after blending so the pieces stay chunky and satisfying in each sip. Texture depends on technique, so start with short pulses to combine ingredients without overwarming. Use 2 scoops of ice cream with 2 tablespoons of chilled milk as a baseline, then add more milk for a thinner result. For a thicker treat, use 1 additional scoop or a tablespoon of heavy cream. Serve in chilled glasses and stir gently, keeping toppings separate until the very end for the best presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.